Hello everyone, I'm Sajjad Arif Gul and today I'm showing you a simple application where I'm performing CRUD operation on two different tables with the help of AngularJS and Web API in ASP.NET MVC. So as you can see, my application is already loaded in my browser, and first of all let me show you my database structure. Okay, so I have a customers table and a customer numbers table, and the relationship between these two is that customer numbers has a foreign key of customers table. Okay, and here you can also see inside controller I have a API controller named as customers controller. Basically what it does is take all the records from database and send it back in the form of XML or JSON. So let's go back to our main application here, and as you can see, the all of the customers that are present in my database are displaying here, and this is also rendering with the help of AngularJS. You can see the Angular code here in the index view. So here is the table code. Anyway, if you are interested in this code, I will also link this code from my GitHub account in the description, so you can see it later. So let's go into the action. Okay, let's do CRUD operations. I will add a new customer. I will name him myself, Sajjad Gul. Details: software engineer. Address: Karachi. Contact: active. And let's add some random data here. Number, value, or let me just home, and some other random data, and let's call it office. So basically what you are seeing here is this data will be going into customers table, and the number values and number detail, this will be going into customer numbers table with the foreign key of this customer. So let's click on the save button, and as soon as I click on the save button, you can see customer added successfully. So let's go back to our web API and see if we have already updated it or not. So the last customer would be Sajjad Gul. If yes, okay, so you can see the new data is already added in this web API. So let's perform another action, edit operations. Let's perform on Wahab Khan Jadoon, and update customer, let's name him Wahab Jadoon. Computer scientist, let's call him software engineer too, and is active true. I will leave the number as it is. Update customer updated successfully. So if you go back to table, you can see here Wahab Jadoon, details, software engineer. So first, before the update, he was computer scientist, and now he is software engineer. Anyway, so let's also delete some records. Let's delete the Ramiz data, delete. So it is saying customer deleted successfully. So basically it is a completely basic of application, not much uh, not much operations, but anyway bilkul basic CRUD operation are performing here. So you can also add some other features, like before deleting it should show a confirmation message and other stuff. So if you are interested in this code, I have also uploaded it on my GitHub account, so you can see it there. Also I will be linking this in the description, so you can see it there. If you have any questions related to this project or any other AngularJS or MVC, so you can ask me. Thank you.